Sherry at the South Pole. I'm sitting out on the ice. I've got my thermocouple out here. It's still going down, reading different temperatures. Right now it says -7 degrees Celsius. It's going to go down a lot farther than that. It's about -29 outside today. And I've got a couple solar ovens to show you. First one I bought at home, and I brought it here. It's small, but I bought it commercially. Hopefully it'll work. I've put insulation all the way around it, and I've got graham crackers and chocolate pinned in there so it can't move. The other solar oven is designed after the one that Sean and Connor made. Unfortunately, I haven't received that box yet, so I tried to make one that's similar. It's also got graham cracker in there. It's close, but it's not as good as yours, guys. Hopefully we'll see some results. Okay, so let's give it a try. Thermocouple still thinks it's -16 right now. So if we get it to go above that, then we know that we're getting some kind of radiation, infrared radiation, caught inside the box. That'd be cool. I'm gonna aim the box at the sun, and I'm gonna slide this inside. Okay. Got that in there kind of as best as I can. Don't want to let out too much. Our temperature's already increased. It's heading back towards 0. I'm not even aiming at the sun yet. Underneath the box in here, I've got more insulation as well. Alright, I'm in the positive Celsius now. 1.3 degrees Celsius positive. We'll let this go for a while and come back to it. We're at positive 7.6. Okay, we've only been out here a couple minutes and already we're up to 23.7. That's right about room temperature, a little bit above room temperature. So we're getting some real energy trapped in there. Okay, well, we seem to have kind of stalled out here at 26.4 degrees Celsius. The battery says it's low as well, which is really common when it's cold. So I'm going to kind of call it there, 26.6. I can see that chocolate is glistening, but it is not melted. It is above room temperature though, and considering it's -30 out here, that's pretty cool. Okay, we're back with the second solar oven. This is one that I bought. It was the smallest one I could find. I purchased it. We messed around with it in class a little bit, and now I have it down here. It was easy to pack, so that's one big advantage of it. But right now I'm having a hard time even aiming it and getting definite sunlight in the box. Just trying to make it so that the whole interior is getting light on it. Alright, their temperature reading right now is -7.5 degrees Celsius and climbing, but slower than the other one was climbing. The other one definitely climbed a lot faster. Okay, well this oven is not done as well as the other one did. We're only up to 11.9 degrees Celsius and climbing but slowly. I've got to keep the probe inside my jacket now because its batteries are so cold that they're not functioning very well. So I can see that this chocolate is starting to melt even though the temperature is not showing it's very high. It makes me wonder if the probe is malfunctioning in these temperatures. Says it's at 12.3. Let's look at this chocolate though. It's getting all oozy on the top. It is melting. As far as I know, there's really only one thing left to do, and that is eat this chocolate that's now slid onto the bottom of the box all the way off the graham cracker. See if we get any steam out of it. A little bit. This is actually pretty gross and gooey. And there it is. Gooey chocolate s'more at the pole, minus the marshmallow. It's good. Too bad no one's around to share this. Okay, so we're back and I have James Roth here with me now. He's my boss. And we're making our last s'more in this solar oven. And it was going pretty well there for a little bit. I stopped it so it wouldn't go too much so you could have it. Except to, let's see.
Wow.
This guy is having a real hard time out here. But a little bit ago we got it up to about 30 Celsius in there.
Wow.
You know, evidently that'll do it.
That's pretty toasty.
All right, so James and I say it's ready. Is it ready?
It looks ready to me.
It's ready to go.
This is living the dream here. Camping at the South Pole, having s'mores.
Can't get a lot better. So I pinned it onto the wall here.
So don't eat the pin. Uh-oh. Oh, it's definitely melty.
It's big melty.
Now your temperature probe is too.
That's alright. Let's get this pin out of here.
Hey, don't eat the pin.
It's definitely melty.
Okay, I'm taking my goggles off. Look at this. S'mores in Antarctica. Mmm. Oh. It's just dripping all over my face.
Amazing. Never thought I'd see the day. I love it. Thanks, James. Okay, so that's it for S'mores of the South Pole. Let me know if any of you guys have better luck with your solar ovens where you are. Thanks.